Raise the remote control antenna upright and ensure the E and F levers on both sides are in the middle position. Use both thumbs to simultaneously push inward and downward to unlock the drone, and the tail light will change from rapid flashing to steady green. Ascends. Descends. Forward. Backward. Rotate left. Rotate right. Shift left. Shift right. Pull the right lever all the way and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. The green light changes from steady to green and flashes rapidly, proving that the drone is successfully locked.